Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have Git and an account. Now start the workflow. Create or clone the repo, set user, name and user. Email so commits are attributable, then initialize and add a clear. Git ignore. Once done, stage everything with git add. Run git commit m initial commit and push to origin main. Make sure your branch naming is simple and predictable so collaborators can find work easily. This first commit establishes history and keeps the project traceable. You should work in short-lived feature branches to isolate changes. Create a branch with git checkout b, push it and open a pull request so teammates can review. Include issue numbers and context for faster acceptance. Once reviewers comment, fetch upstream and rebase or merge to keep history clean, resolving conflicts locally. Run the test suite and linters before pushing updates. Make sure continuous integration passes. A green CI gives reviewers confidence and prevents broken main branch merges. You prepare a release by tagging a stable commit and pushing tags so others can install specific versions. Once tags are pushed, create a changelog and merge release PR into main. Enable branch protection and required CI to avoid regressions. If something breaks, act quickly. Revert the offending commit with git revert or branch off main for a hotfix, then open a PR and run tests. One key troubleshooting tip: if history is messy, avoid force pushes on shared branches. Use revert and new commits instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.